Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the Iiyama G Master Red Eagle GB2466HSU-B1. In the box we have the power cable, part of the stand, the monitor, the base of the stand, a display port and USB 2.0 cable. Assembly was really simple. It was just two parts that clicked into place and screwed on really easily. The design is lovely and minimalistic, which means it will look good in any space, whether that's a home office, bedroom or gaming room. And the matte black frame and thin bezels feel of a really high quality. The stand is sleek and relatively small. It also allowed me to adjust the height, tilt and rotate to find the perfect spot that was comfortable for me. Although it isn't able to swivel, this wasn't really an issue for me as it's a curved monitor, so it's designed for you to be sat directly in front of it anyway. It's also 100mm Visa compatible, so it can be wall mounted if you would prefer. On the back we have the headphone jack, two USB ports, display port and two HDMI ports. The power button is located on the back and it also has a little joystick that's used to navigate through a variety of settings from brightness to volume. The 24-inch display is curved at a 1500 radius, which is designed to mimic the curve of the human eye and therefore surrounds the field of view. This made gameplay seem comfortable and immersive, and it made the 24-inch screen seem a lot bigger than it is. Its full HD screen and VA panel gave pretty good visuals, bold and bright colours, as well as great contrast ratio on a range of content from nature shows to animations and of course games. On top of this, you can adjust the brightness and dark shades with the black tuner so that the details are always clearly visible, allowing you to spot any enemies lurking in the shadows. This monitor doesn't have HDR, which would be a lovely addition, as I know there are some Iiyama monitors that do have this feature. However, this monitor does come at a budget-friendly price, so it's likely that any additional features such as this would increase the price. This monitor has been designed with gamers in mind, as its 165Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time gave me really smooth, sharp and blur-free visuals. This gave a competitive advantage in fast-paced games such as shooters, as I could enjoy faster and more accurate images. It also has Freesync Premium and low latency, so I didn't experience any stutter or tearing when gaming, which was brilliant as it allowed me to get a lot more immersed in the game. This monitor has a range of gaming modes from FPS to racing, which give you the optimum settings for what you're playing in just the click of a button. You can also set your own custom settings and you can save them to go back to them whenever you need, which is pretty handy. For long gaming sessions, you can stay comfortable thanks to the range of blue light reducing modes which help to reduce eye strain. This monitor has two 2-watt speakers. Whilst they aren't the loudest speakers, they work pretty well for general gaming and media streaming. And they're a nice little addition as it means you don't need to buy any additional external speakers. Overall, this is a great monitor. Its brilliant refresh rate, response time and FreeSync capabilities gave me fluid, sharp and accurate visuals, whilst the curved screen allowed me to feel really absorbed in the game. And what's even better about this monitor is that you get all these awesome features for a budget-friendly price. What do you guys think of this monitor? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, pop them down and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.